Hi, it's Serena from Festival Bookkeeping. Just thought I would jump on and make a quick video to talk about two of my favourite software integrations, and that is Xero accounting software and Cliniko. So Cliniko is a practice management system for clinics and allied health practitioners. Pretty much a one-stop shop for clinics. You can track your appointments, keep a database of your patients, you can add treatment notes, you can do video consults. It's got some reporting functions there as well. But what I wanted to talk to you about today is the invoicing feature and how that integrates with Xero. So let's jump into this demo company of Cliniko on the page. So I'm looking at a list of the invoices that I've created. And I want to apply a payment to Ricky Baker's invoice. So here's invoice number 1. Cliniko is telling us that it's open, so it hasn't been paid in full yet. We open that one up, and Ricky paid this today, so click on the Pay tab, paid it today. He paid it by direct deposit, $100. Scroll down, Cliniko has automatically applied that to invoice number 1. There's $0 remaining, we're happy. Now this button down here is the Save Payment button, and once we click that, that is the point in time at which that information will flow through to Xero. So click on Save Payment, and let's hop over into Xero. So here's my Xero demo company. I'm going to look for Ricky Baker's invoice number 1, which is just here. Open that one up. And you can see that the invoice payment has been pushed through. So let's open that one up. And this is what you would expect to see. So everything's been matched nicely. It's picked up on our patient, the correct invoice, the correct amount. So we haven't had to enter any of that manually. That has all come through just from Cliniko. And Cliniko has also pushed through a reference for us. So it has told us that he paid by direct deposit, and it's given us a payment reference number as well. So this number has come from Cliniko. So that's basically how it works. Invoices that you enter in Cliniko automatically push through to Xero, and invoice payments will also push through to Xero. So why would you want to integrate the two? The number one reason is that you are eliminating the double handling of information. Obviously that's saving you time, but it also reduces the risk of errors happening. So you aren't manually having to re-enter the same information a second time into Xero. I've seen it work really well, and I've seen the integration work not so well. What I've found is that the key to getting it to work well is making sure that everyone that has access to invoices and invoice payments in Cliniko is aware of what happens in Xero when they do what they do in Cliniko. So it is not a complicated integration. It's very straightforward, but there are rules and there are some little quirks as well that you might not be aware of. So the basic rule is what you enter in Cliniko flows through to Xero, but when you enter something in Xero, it's not going to flow back into Cliniko. So if you enter an invoice in Xero, that will not automatically feed through to Cliniko. And one of the little quirks that you might not know about unless you've been researching or using the software for some time, if you have an account credit sitting in Cliniko and you apply that to a patient's invoice, that allocation of the credit does not flow through to Xero, so it doesn't work like a normal invoice payment. But yeah, love the two softwares. I've seen them work really great together. They both have a 30-day free trial, so if you are curious, why not jump on and give one of them a try, see what you think. But I hope what I've looked at and talked about today is of value and has helped you in some way, and thank you for watching.